So my first question is to Sachin sir. Sachin sir, hand ambassador. That's quite a unique position to hold. I would like to know your thoughts on this concept, on this first ever concept.
Extremely excited to join hands with Savlon for their hand ambassador. Uh, when Sanjay's team contacted my team and they said that we have this unique idea of Sachin to be our hand ambassador, I said, "ये hand ambassador क्या चीज़ होती है?" And then they shared this idea with me. I thought it was a very, very powerful idea, extremely creative, and a cause that is so dear to me, very, very close to my heart. Because having worked with UNICEF for a number of years, we've tried to spread this message. And the, the, the tendency is, कुछ नहीं होगा मुझे. We take our health for granted. मुझे याद है when I was a kid, in fact all these kids were here, reminded me of my childhood days. My mother wouldn't serve me food. सारे दिन मस्ती करता था, ग्राउंड पे खेलता था, क्रिकेट, हॉकी, फुटबॉल. वापस घर आता तो सीधा जहाँ आपने फिल्म में देखा, सीधा बाथरूम में जाना. That was unwritten rule at home कि बाहर से आते हो सीधा बाथरूम में जाओ, तब तक खाना टेबल पे लगेगा. So I was brought up that way. So these are the habits that one needs to inculcate in our younger generation. It becomes our responsibility, serious, because we kind of have a tendency to say कि ये हमें सब कुछ पता है. I'm sorry, we are wrong. कि बहुत सारी चीज़ें पता रह के भी हम करते नहीं. The whole idea, this initiative of Savlon Swasth India mission is to spread this message. And a big congratulations to you. This is a big, big task. You've been able to reach out to 25,000 schools, nearly 8 million children. That is a big number. मगर जितनी ज़रूरत है हमें, उसके लिए सिर्फ एक छोटी टीम की responsibility नहीं बनती. I think this responsibility is our responsibility, the entire country's responsibility. And that is exactly what I am trying to partner with them and spread this message across. And like we always say in the dressing room, कि जितने भी रन बन जाते हैं, it's never enough. We are happy, but we are not satisfied. Let's double it up. So I'm sure Sanjay and his team, the target is to double it up in the near future and go well beyond that, because the need is there and it becomes our responsibility.
Thank you so much, Sachin sir, for this wonderful message. My next question is to Sanjay sir. Sanjay sir, now the pandemic has gone, but still I think the hand hygiene is important.
I think the infections have always been around. Even before the pandemic, it's not as if that there were no infections and the pandemic was a only infection. I think what the pandemic did, a threat that it posed, it brought the issue of hygiene into focus much more than what anybody could have expected. But I think what's also happening post the pandemic is that people are forgetting that, hey, that a basic good habit for health like hygiene and hand washing is not related only to the pandemic. It's something that is to be followed irrespective of a pandemic or whether a pandemic is there or not. And I think it's important for us to bring this message back into focus. And which is why I think we really kind of wanted somebody like Sachin to come and lend his voice, because he's a role model to millions of kids. And I think when the message comes across from him as a hand ambassador, right? And it's a concept that is a unique concept that's really come up that way. I think it brings the issue into focus. So beyond the pandemic, for health and for hygiene, hand washing continues to be an important habit, and that is something it's our duty to inculcate amongst our children.
Absolutely right. Thank you so much, Sachin sir, Srinivas sir. My next question will be for Sachin sir. Sachin sir, as a hand ambassador, what would be your message to the nation?
My message to the nation is, let's be in this movement together. I call it a movement because Savlon Swasth India mission is a massive cause. and it is the need of the hour. If we take this responsibility to spread the message across, it's going to work. Some stage it will work. I know it's a monumental task, but it will work. Good things to happen, they don't happen overnight. It takes time. We need to be patient and persistent. With this combination, the results are going to follow. I अभी बच्चों के साथ बात कर रहा कि आप सब मेरे हैंड एम्बेसडर बनने के लिए तैयार हो या नहीं. All of them said yes. और आप में से भी मैं कहूँगा कि आप सब हैं या नहीं रहोगे तो फिर मैं हाथ धो के आपके पीछे पड़ जाऊँगा. Alright, so that is what we are looking to do. That is my message. Let's do this and feel good about ourselves that we are doing something good for our country.
Thank you so much. Let's have a round of applause for both of them. And thank you first for this enriching conversation. Ladies and gentlemen, please, I will now request the Savlon Swast India Chain Champions to come back on stage.
संदीप ह्याला पहिला पाठी घे ते पाठी आहे त्याला पाठी थोडा पाठी आहे ना तू फ्रेममध्ये एवढा लोक
वाई फ्लैश नेचर
So ladies and gentlemen, as we continue our endeavor to build hand hygiene as a habit, we hope that
संदीप
you
याच्या पुढे जाऊन उभा
will
राहा
practice
याच्या
upon
पुढे
this
जा सरळ त्याच्या सरळ सरळ
Let's
पुढे राहा
unveil this.
नाहीतर
Everyone together, 3, 2, 1, and here we go. So this is the hand class. We will now begin our journey across India to propagate hand hygiene. Yes, everyone together. Well, thank you so much. Thank you so much, everyone. Thank you so much, Sachin sir. Thank you, kids. I will request everyone to please join for lunch in the pre-function area. Thank you, Mayuri, signing off.
भाई आगे बताओ
Excuse me. Kids, look here. Kids, all the kids. Excuse me, madam. Excuse me. Hello. Madam. Sachin sir. Sachin sir. Excuse me. Sir, left side la. ओके ओके ओके
So we have a little master, we have a blockbuster, as well as we have a hand ambassador today. What you would like to say?
Brand ambassador, yes,
Yeah.
that's important. That's how it all started. I have done many ads, but this initiative is a different initiative altogether. Savlon Swasth India Mission, is extremely purposeful. Something which is very close to my heart, because through UNICEF I have been spreading this message कि हाथ धोने ज़रूरी है, उसे साफ रखना ज़रूरी है. We tend to take our health for granted. मैं जब छोटा था तभी से मुझे बताया गया था घर से कि नीचे खेल के आया, ग्राउंड में खेल के आया, बी इट क्रिकेट, फुटबॉल, हॉकी, जो भी. मदर पहले मुझे कहती थी कि पहले बाथरूम में जाओ, हाथ पैर धो के ही टेबल पे आओ खाना खाने के लिए. तो दैट बिकेम काइंड ऑफ अनरिटन रूल एट होम कि ये करना ही है आपको. इट बिकेम अ हैबिट. तो ये इनकलकेट करना आई थिंक सीनियर्स की रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है. पेरेंट्स, अपने जो भी ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स वगैरह सारे जो एल्डर्स है घर पे, वो उन्हें बच्चों को बताना चाहिए. मगर ये भी मैं कहना चाहूँगा कि द एल्डर्स समटाइम्स don't do it themselves. So it is not only about children. There was something that we did just now with children, and they understood and they promised me that they're going to be hand ambassadors, and they will be spreading this message across the nation. I think it's really important to understand the consequences if we don't do it. ये सिर्फ कोविड की बात नहीं है, उसके पहले भी हाथ ना धोने से डिजीज़ हुए और उसके बाद भी हो सकते हैं. तो आई फील इट इज़ आवर रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी फ्रॉम Savlon Swasth India Mission's point of view. I would say that it is a humongous task that they have chosen to कि इसे हम चैलेंज समझकर एज अ टीम आगे बढ़ रहे हैं. एंड so far 25,000 schools have been reached. 8 million children have got the message. मगर ये काफ़ी नहीं है. I feel ये शुरुआत है, यही मैं समझता हूँ. हमारे कंट्री में कोने कोने में ये मैसेज जाना, पहुँचना, ये सिर्फ हमारी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी नहीं है. आई थिंक आपकी भी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है, सभी की रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है. एज इंडियंस, इफ़ वी कैन take this up as a challenge and win this match, it would be the best result possible, because it's going to keep every individual, whoever is practicing this, healthy. And I think जैसे कि मैं बढ़ रहा था, मुझे मेरे ग्रैंडमदर ने बताया था, your health is your real wealth. So I hope we are all together in this. Like I said, मैं अकेला हैंड एम्बेसडर नहीं हूँ, मेरे साथ आपको भी बनना पड़ेगा. Thank you.
Sachin, what?
Yeah, no.
Thank you.